Reactions as Governor of Cross River is spotted crying on live TV. Since the beginning of the popular EndSARS protest, different strange activities have begun. Buildings and governance facilities have been burnt, and the youth and other people are extremely angry at the rates of bad governance in the country. Recently, in Cross River, some angry mobs broke into the state warehouse and made away with some items, which was later disclosed to be COVID-19 palliatives. This incident got the state government, Professor Benedict Anyade, so much emotional that he had to cry on live TV, complaining that he wanted using those palliatives to provide more job opportunities for the state. Thank you for listening to this news. He hasn't started crying. He hasn't started crying. Those tears to me are crocodile tears. What are those palliatives doing there? To me, that excuse is just too expensive. It is not an excuse at all. What do you mean? You want to use that to create job opportunity? Who are you deceiving? How do you want to achieve that? Huh? You want to use it to create job opportunity. You want to store it as a supermarket and recruit staffs to be managing it, or what? Or you want to give it to some set of people as empowerment. What the people have just done is the best, because if you really want to use it to create job opportunity, it's going to be politicized. You will do it with politics. You will apply politics to it. You will only give it to those that you know that are well to do. You only give it to those that you know that you know. It will now become a man no man thing. But as the people broke into the warehouse and made away with those palliatives, both the poor, the average, and the well-to-do at least are able to get something to themselves. Palliative meant for the people, you kept it saying you want to use it to create job when the people are dying of hunger. You can see the kind of human being that we voted for. So persons don't want being voted for. So persons don't want being a governor. We made a terrible mistake voting some persons into power. A terrible mistake. He hasn't started shedding tears. You should shed that tears till his eyes drops. It's crazy. What's this saying? What is he talking about? When the people are hungry. See, during the COVID-19 period, my viewers, see, we started at the time, we started having different kind of beggars. You know, we have some persons that don't have this spirit to beg, but they were forced to go out to beg. So what do? They have to go out on corporate to beg. So thereby we have to give them a name, calling them corporate beggars. Then we have people that are used to the begging things. So those people that are used to the begging things advance their own begging by going out with force to beg in every corner. They have to travel far with their legs, not minding where they will get to. So far they are able to get something that will feed them for that day. And someone is here telling me now that he kept those palliatives because he wants to use it to secure a job for people. What the fuck? What the fuck? What is he talking about? Who is he fooling? Who is he fooling? See, I want to say this to the people out there. If you know any warehouse in Lagos State, because now warehouse, I now begin to suspect every warehouse in Lagos State. Don't spare any warehouse that you know in Lagos State now. Don't spare any warehouse at all. Break that warehouse. I'm sure there will be palliative hidden in that warehouse. As I'm talking to you now, I am telling you. Do you know how these people brought those palliatives to that warehouse? Probably they brought it in the middle of the night when the people will not know. That is why people didn't know that they brought palliatives in those areas. Example, my own area. As local as that area is, nobody believes that they can bring palliatives to that area because there is a particular warehouse in that area, of which people believe that that warehouse is used to store goods which belong to one politician, and the politician happened to be an APC man. Do you know that there is palliatives in that warehouse and nobody knew about it? Nobody knew about it. That is to tell you that when they brought those palliatives, they brought it when nobody is awake. Probably they brought it in the midnight when everybody has slept. Hapa. No. We have a very bad government. A very bad government. I'm telling you, our politicians are poisonous. Too poisonous. Hapa. What is this? I can't believe this. See, look at palliatives. And someone is there shedding tears in live TV. It's a shame. It's a shame. I'm ashamed of you, sir. I'm ashamed of you. I will tell you this. I'm ashamed of you. I can't believe that you are dead. You are doing this to yourself. I can't believe this. Instead of you to be thanking your stars, that at least your people and later get something to eat at last. See how large the warehouse is. See the largeness of the warehouse. And someone is just sharing it. You are a wicked somebody. You are a wicked somebody. You are very wicked. You are very wicked. Completely wicked. So you're a sadist, in fact. You derive joy seeing your people go hungry. The people that voted you in as a governor, the people that stood under the sun, not minding the weight of the sun, the hotness of the sun, they voted for you and made sure that you succeed as a governor, and you're here seeing this trash. You're seeing this trash. You're wicked. Too wicked. Well, that is for those that will be listening to you. As for me, what the people have done is the best thing. What the people have done is the best thing that can ever happen. It's good. What they have just done in your state is a good thing. Let everyone that knows any way else go out there and break that way else. Break it. There is palliatives there. Our government is a greedy government. Our government is a wicked government. They are very greedy. They are very wicked. Please, don't give them the chance. Alright? Don't give them the chance. Okay? Go out there. There are lots of food out there. It is not your property. Okay? So please, my viewers, what is your own take? What's your own advice? Deem it fit to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.